So in cell A1, let's type in year, the word year. Then in A2, we're going to type in 1990. And A3 is 1991. So what the autofill feature is going to do is it's going to look at the current cells that we've already input data in. It's going to analyze it, and then it's going to predict what kind of data we want next. That's what usually autofill does. So right now we have the year, we have 1990, 91. So we're going to highlight or select cells A2 and A3. And you can see this little green box at the very bottom right. That's the fill handle and how we're going to use autofill. So once we hover over it, you can see our cursor turns to black. That's how you know you're on it. We're going to left click and hold it, and then we're going to drag it down. And as you can see, as you drag it down, we can actually preview what we're going to see, and it's actually going to increase the years. And so we're going to keep going till we hit 2010. And once we hit that, let go. It's like magic, right? It just goes down and then fills it all up.
And so now it's like 1990, 91 is predictable. So what method does it use? Just if I give 2, 5, so so is it going to be sequential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can handle more complicated cases? Yeah, probably test.
So let's see. Yeah. So let's say we want to test like even increments, right? Like we want to go 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's something a bit more complicated.
Yes.
So let's type even at the top here for cell B1. And let's type in 2 for B2 and 4 for B3. Let's highlight that and see if it predicts it. It does. Yeah. So it can go up to pretty complicated levels. It's just predicting based on the previous data. I think the more data you previously have, the more it can easily predict what the next one's going to be based on the algorithm it's going to be using.
Do you know what algorithm it's using?
I do not know what it is. Yeah.
It's maybe like a linear regression.
Mm-hmm.